Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this video, we're going to look at what activities actually make you money, where you need to focus. That's what we're going to cover in this training, is what you're probably doing right now and where you should be moving your attention to, and the core activities that you should be focusing on, the core activities that actually produce money. So what you're probably doing right now, I'm a real big advocate for putting in the work, because without hard work, you're not going to see any of the results that you want. Okay, and if you do see some results, they're not going to be sustainable. They're going to be very short-lived. So I'm very big on putting in the work, but it's also very important that you know where to put in the work. Because I know when I started out, I heard other people say, work, 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 and I was doing a lot of work, but I wasn't actually producing any money. Okay, and when you're starting out and you're working hard, but you're not seeing any results, you can get very deflated. You can lose a lot of your momentum. It's hard to even get momentum to start with. And when you do get momentum, it's hard to keep it. So it's really important to actually know what levers you need to pull on to produce revenue, to produce cash. Okay, because really that's what we're all here for. We're all here to try and get some more money, make our lives easier, and grow our businesses. So what activities actually make money? Generating sales is really the only thing in your business that will produce money. Especially in e-commerce, the only way to produce money is to make sales. Okay, so the question then becomes, how do you make a sale? Well, in any business, regardless of model or industry, money is produced by an exchange of value. Okay, a sale is made. All a sale is an exchange of value. So you give someone something, and in return, they give you money. So when it comes to e-commerce, we provide them with a product, they provide us with their money. Now that we've identified generating sales is the thing that makes money, how do we generate sales? That's the next question. We do not generate sales by watching motivational videos, getting stuck in a rabbit hole on YouTube, scrolling through Facebook, replying to customer service emails. There's a lot of things that you're probably doing right now that don't produce money. Okay, so we're going to talk about the things that you need to do if you actually want to see your business grow. So these are 4 things that really you should be focusing on. These are the 4 things that will push your business forward, make your life a lot easier, and give you a lot more enjoyment. So the first activity to produce a sale and cash is product research. Okay, so while product research doesn't directly result in money appearing, without a good product to sell, you're never going to make sales or any money, because selling something is the only way to get cash. And if you don't have a product to sell, you're not going to be able to get any cash. So it's very simple. Product research needs to be a big daily habit. You need to invest at least 30 minutes each day. What I recommend you do, something I do, everyone I work with, I get them to do as well, is to build up a massive list of potential products that you can look at selling. Okay, build up a massive list on Excel. So every day spend 30 minutes, go out there, do product research, find products to sell, continually add it to your list, and then you're always going to have this huge list of products you can draw from to test. And then once you have this big list, you're going to narrow it down to the top 5 or 10 products that you can start testing. The next thing that a lot of people don't do, but it's actually a massive, hugely important, is audience research. Because you can have the best product in the world, but if you're not targeting the right audience, your offer will not convert. Okay, and it's super important that you spend some time before you go into Facebook, before you launch any ads, to actually start doing some audience research and start getting an understanding of who your audience is, what their pain points and desires are, who are the big players in your market, because maybe there's some people you can potentially target, and build up a big bank of potential interests that you can test. So that's something you must do before you launch any ads. The next thing is the sales process. So in order to make money, you must have a very streamlined sales process that converts clicks into buyers. So it's important that your product page should have really high quality images, copy that focuses 80% on the benefits and 20% on the features. Okay, features tell, benefits sell. Super important to remember that when you're writing your product descriptions, focusing on the benefits not on the features, okay? But people buy because of the benefits, not because of the features. It's also important that your product pages have reviews and social proof. It's also important that there's some kind of risk reversal on your product pages as well. A simple money back guarantee is enough, and a strong call to action. It's important that you always give your customers an opportunity, regardless of where they are on the page, to have a call to action. An app like a sticky add to cart bar is a great way to do this, where it will follow your customers up and down the page, regardless of where they are. Because if you don't have that and they scroll all the way to the bottom of your page, well, then they have to scroll all the way back up again if they want to buy the product. Okay, so make sure you have a strong call to action on your product page. The next thing is you actually need to go in there and launch the ads, okay? You actually have to go in to Facebook Ads Manager, open it up, add in the creatives that you've made, and launch the ads, okay? Those are the 4 things that you need to do: product research, audience research, have a strong sales process, and actually launch ads, okay? Those 4 things are the things that will make cash appear. Nothing else, okay? They're the things that produce a sale, and a sale will produce cash. Remember, don't fall into the trap of work. Work hard, but work hard on the right things. The things that will produce money, the things that will change your life, and the things that will grow your business. Everything else anything else can be automated or delegated, okay? Those 4 things are the things that you need to do every single day. Now, moving forward, if you got any value from this video, please give it a like, a comment, or a subscribe. Check out the quick start pack down below if you need any extra help at all growing your business. There's also a free coaching session with me included. It's a limited time bonus, so grab it now, and the link is in the description. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.